guys, imagine it's super bad for Riley to get grounded for tacos in the third. That's like a billion years from now. Wait a second. She said I farted on her pillow. It was my bad taco fart. Really stinky. Oh my god, Mom said they still smell like tacos. Okay, Riley, I'm gonna be honest. If I was Mom, I would probably ban tacos from your life for life until you die. Why in the world did you fart on Mom's pillow when you had taco belly? Wait, Jason, I didn't say I did it on purpose. It was an accident. It just kind of happened out of nowhere. Okay, so for life, you keep your butt away from my pillows whenever you eat tacos. That's disgusting. But my point is Mom is gonna ground us until we're 18 years old, and I don't think she's gonna unground us for tacos. Oh God, she needs to get to bed now. Okay, Riley, let's go ahead and just step outside and enjoy this nice breeze out here. Oh God, Mom just said shelters or else. I don't care nothing except a nice breeze and life together. Oh God, she just said you won't like what happened. Wait a second, Mom had a Coke inside the Coke machine. Oh my God, that was delicious. Wait a second, Riley, she just closed the door. Oh my God, the door's locked. She closed the door. Girl, I'm pretty sure she just locked it outside of our own house. There's no way in. I can't see it anywhere. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. Riley, where did she go? Oh my God, I'm panicking. I think Mom just locked us outside of the house. That's illegal. Wait a second, Riley. What is that crazy music I'm hearing? Oh my God, is Mom in there having a party? It sounds like a crazy party in there. Oh God, Daddy said, wait, no, the speaker. Oh my God, she is using your new speaker, the one you got for Christmas. She's using our stuff. Okay, Riley, we need to figure out a way to get back in that stupid house. Oh God, she just opened the curtains. Wait a second, she's drinking with no shame. Okay, don't even look at her. Don't even look at her. Act like we're completely enjoying our time out here. Can't hear nothing. Daddy just said, go swimming. Yeah, go swimming. Let's go into the water. This is so amazing. We're swimming in our good school clothes. And by school clothes, I mean my bird. This is so nice. Mom never lets us do this when she's not invisible. Oh God, Bradley just said, oh, wait a second. You changed the lights. Mom never lets us do that. Wait a second. This water kind of looks a little scary because it's red. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here because there could be sharks in there. Oh, that's much better. I like it when the water's blue. And wait a second. Ew, what is disgusting? I'm getting out of there again. And purple's kind of good, I guess. It kind of looks like a cool bath bomb. And wait a second, Riley. Did you take a nap?
Nitong linggo, isinagawa ang ceremonial hoisting ng mga bandila ng lahat ng rehiyon ng alahok sa palarong pambansa, kabilang na ang dalawang bagong delegasyon ng Philippine Overseas Schools sa National Academy for Sports. Tumanggap din ng podium ang lahat ng regional directors at iginaon ang welcome dinner. Nasa 15,000 student athletes ang nakasimula at handa na para sa opening ceremony na gaganapin sa July 9, Martes. Inaasahang dadaluhan ito ni na Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at Vice President Sara Duterte. Nasa 2,000 police personnel naman ang ikinakalat sa iba-ibang bahagi ng Cebu kasama ang mga force multipliers para tiyakin ang seguridad sa palarong pambansa.
Saan mo ba kinuha yan? Saan mo kinuha yan? Oh. Balik mo doon.
Sa mga kinaranasan sa 7 Express
maghapon ka ng cellphone na lang?
Emosyonal na
May ginawa ka na?
ito. Tapos para
Ha?
walang best support actor. Dahil sa kanyang
Sa cellphone ka lang?
bilang parte ng oras
Ano ginawa mo?
kumbuka.
Ginawa ka na? Hindi ka tumulong dito?
Tumutulong
Ano
po.
nga? Wala kang masabi kasi wala ka namang ginawa.
Dahil naman, Julia Montes at Marty dito.
Yan, doon ka oh. Doon ka sa
Julia
gitna.
para sa pelikulang Five Breakup Romance at si Charlie naman sa Triple Romance.
Tigilan mo nga yan.
Na pinagtapalan nila ng Mr. Carlos.